This isn't your average birthday party. This is a mad science celebration where your child becomes the star of the show and science takes center stage. We bring the lab to you, complete with bubbling potions, mind-blowing reactions, and science experiments so cool, even the parents won't want to miss the moment. Our mad scientists don't just perform, they inspire. Every child gets hands-on, making discoveries, asking questions, and creating memories that last far beyond the party. Best of all, your birthday star gets a special moment to shine because here, being curious is the coolest gift of all. Every child leaves with more than a goodie bag. They take home their very own science experiment to keep the fun going. Mad Science birthday parties are more than fun. They're unforgettable. Stress-free for you, thrilling for them, and powered by the magic of science. Book your Mad Science birthday party today and let's spark some serious excitement.